and raisin swirl bread.
This bread recipe is so easy.
Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. For the cinnamon swirl, we're going to whisk together 1/2 cup granulated sugar or plant-based sweetener and 1 tablespoon ground cinnamon. For the bread, we're going to grab a large mixing bowl and whisk together 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon salt. Separate bowl, whisk 1 room temperature egg and 3/4 cup sugar or granulated sugar replacement until the sugar is dissolved. Add 1/3 cup vegetable oil, 1/3 cup sour cream, and 2/3 cup fresh milk or buttermilk. Then add 1.5 teaspoons vanilla extract. Gradually pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Completely combine, but avoid overmixing. Prepare a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan by brushing the pan with room temperature butter. And then lightly dusting the pan with sugar or granulated sweetener. Give the pan a light shake to evenly distribute the sugar. Pour half of the batter in the prepared loaf pan. Spread the batter evenly. Then add 1/2 of the cinnamon sugar mixture on top of the batter. Then add half of the 2/3 cup raisins and evenly distribute throughout the batter. Carefully pour and spread the remaining half of the batter. Spreading the second layer of the batter will be a bit tricky. Using a spatula will be helpful to spread it out evenly. Now we will add the remaining half of the raisins. Sprinkle the remaining cinnamon sugar mixture on top. Then, using a knife or a spatula, swirl side to side throughout the loaf. Bake the bread for 40 to 45 minutes on a traditional oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and for 35 to 40 minutes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit if using a convection oven. Remove the bread from the oven and cool in pan placed on a wire rack for at least 10 minutes. Enjoy the bread while it's warm. Try this easy sweetbread recipe at home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!